1515 Paradise Reef. For some reason, that AC is extremely loud. But it is a corner lot. We have a dead bird here, so I'm going to try and avoid that. Whoops. Okay. This light is not turning on, but I can tell you it's laminate floors. The walls look a little darker, maybe with a purple hue. We do have 2.5-inch forward blinds. That top one's a little bent, but it may be okay. Okay, so we have laminate counters here. It looks like the cabinets were painted white recently, and they look like they did a pretty good job. It's the pantry, and that bottom shelf is bowing for some reason. These cabinets look pretty good. You may have to adjust them. It looks like that one's hanging a bit, but the paint job is what it is. It's a textured laminate, so it looks pretty good. I never like to guarantee that we won't have to replace these, but yeah, I don't see any missing slats. We have 2.5-inch forward blinds. So we have lots of these, I think they're ash trees. This is good. So you have a nice area that's going to have a lot of shade for most of the day, and it's got concrete already. Tile looks okay, but it is in the kitchen and the living area, so it's nice that it continues. We want to replace those light bulbs. They're sticking out of the little globes. So we already have the right blinds on these walls. It is dark in here, and the baseboards look really nice. The carpet looks okay. It looks dirty, but it should be able to clean up, okay? It looks like the same tile, so that's good, even though we have a crack going through there. I think the cabinets and the counter actually look pretty nice there, even though it's not granite or quartz. Okay, well, we have the right blinds. Maybe replace that little drain stop. It's very small cost. Shower doesn't look too bad. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. This has double doors, so a lot of times they'll use it as an office, but there is a closet, so it is technically a bedroom. We do have closet door guides and a rod and a little fan. Thermostat can stay if it works. Same situation in here. It's really dark for some reason. Flooring looks fine. Standard. We need a shower rod in here and replace that little stop at the bottom. I like the sink and the cabinets. This water, the water faucet looks pretty old. There's a little bit of rust on that light fixture, but I don't know. We'll get the property manager's opinion on whether or not it matters. Looks like there's a little bit of white paint that may be stuck on there. It may come off, it may not, but I think it's fine. Okay, the light doesn't work in this room. It's a standard laundry room. Okay, we want to rekey that door and possibly put some earthquake straps on that water heater. And that's the property.